Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss the preventive self-defense and its legality. We will discuss it in the light of Israel-Iran conflict and in the context of international law, that whether the international law recognizes the preventive self-defense or not. So as the tension between Israel and Iran are rising, but either country can legally strike first under international law, that's a big question, because the preventive self-defense is not a legally recognized action that has neither been admitted or categorically mentioned in any article of UN Charter. Rather, self-defense is mentioned under Article 51 of UN Charter when a country is attacked. As a matter of self-defense, the attacked country can exercise its right of self-defense and strike back the country who attacked unjustifiedly. So legal basis, Article 51 of UN Charter allows nations to defend themselves, but only after an armed attack has occurred. This article does not mention that any possibility of an imminent threat can be made a base for attacking any country. So there is no any strong legal base for a preventive attack or a preventive strike. Rather, self-defense is protected under Article 51 of UN Charter, which says that a proportionate and immediate counter-attack can be exercised by the country which has been attacked and whose territorial sovereignty has been breached. So preventive self-defense means striking first to prevent any imminent attack, and preventive self-defense means using force before being attacked based on the belief that an attack is imminent. Just in the case of Israel-Iran conflict, if we discuss, the Israel attacked Iran, making the base date an imminent threat is expected from Iran to Israel. So that's why Israel attacked the Iran and said that this attack was a preventive measure to stop or to prevent the threat from Iran to Israel. So this was whereas Iran claims that the Israel unjustifiedly attacked and breached the sovereignty and territorial integrity, and they have all the rights reserved under Article 51 of UN Charter to strike back under collective self-defense to protect their sovereignty and territorial integrity. So Israel's attack was totally preventive and based on some future fear that Iran might be attacking Israel. So that's why Israel says that Iran is threat to Israel's sovereignty, while Iran claims otherwise. As per the legality of this is concerned, the international law is unclear about the preventive strikes, and that is a highly debatable topic, as international law does not clearly permit or prohibit preventive strikes. Some say it is legal if the threat is truly imminent, and others say it is illegal aggression, whereas self-defense is totally protected and it's legalized under Article 51 of UN Charter, and that allows countries to strike back when they are attacked. So they have all the right to attack back or strike back with the same proportion and immediately. So preventive strike is not legally strong as to the self-defense. So another doctrine that discusses this matter is Caroline Doctrine 1842, that says that use of force must be instant, overwhelming, and leaving no choice. But this historical doctrine says use force only justified. Force is only justified if the threat is immediate and unavoidable. So this is a very vague and debatable context. So making a base for attacking some country is a grave concern, that if you are believing that in future this country may attack back, so you are making a preventive measure. This is a highly debatable matter. So Iran says that Israel attack was totally illegal aggression under UN Charter, and Iran claims that any Israeli strike without actual attack as a violation of its sovereignty and international law. So that's why they are striking back, and Iran is also striking with more intensity on Israel, and both the countries are claiming that they have destroyed each other militarily and humanly. So the preventive strike that Israel claim is not that much legalized, whereas the Iran's claim is somehow justified under Article 51 of UN Charter. If we talk about the global implications, this could pose a very dangerous precedent globally, that if a preventive strikes are accepted and welcomed, then any country could justify attacking another by claiming a threat, claiming that this was a preventive measure to thwart a threat. So this is going to be a very dangerous example that's going to be set for future. So the international powers are also trying to de-escalate the tensions between the countries, and so this preventive measure has not a very good example or precedent for future. So if the striking first ever is justified under law, that cannot be said, because preventive strike can never be a good precedent. And Israel-Iran conflict may shape how the world understands the legality and the risks of preventive self-defense. In the coming time, it will be more clear that the stance of Iran and Israel are accepted by the world powers. So this is all about today's topic, and in the next video we will come up with more details. Thank you so much for watching.